Yes, blessed day everyone. Today I'm going to share to you something very, very interesting. It is all about club membership po siya. No? So as a backstory, my name is Ricardo Aban po, State Auditor, Commission on Audit. To be exact, for almost 24 years now. And bilang po isang state auditor, I learned a lot from that particular undertaking. However, kung mapapansin po natin, it's the same normal grid, which is rather sa 9 to 5 grid, wherein kailangan pumasok na maaga para makapagbandi na maaga. Otherwise, alam mo na mangyari kapag late ka, bawas sahod yun. So, 24 years po, 24 years po pinag-usapan natin dito na doon lang po talaga ako nagising na sa mga tao nakikinig, hindi po kasiguruhan na kapag kayo po ay marami nang natapos, there will be a great opportunity that will come to you. It doesn't do that way. Hindi po pwedeng mangyaring ganun. Kasi at the end of the day, if you want to have financial freedom and time freedom, hindi lang po tayo pwedeng bumase sa isang income activity. I, as an accountant, ay to be exact, nagturo rin po ako sa mga kilalang pamantasan na located sa Maynila and some local colleges like what I'm having right now. So, kinakailangan ko yun para, hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para mabuhay yung pamilya ko, no? Yung mahal natin sa buhay. At alam po natin na habang ginagawa natin to para makasurvive, may instances din naman na kahit ginagawa mo yun, it doesn't meet our ends meet. And that's the reason why we need to find more, no, more opportunities for us to really not only to survive, but also, no, to achieve our dreams. Kasi as a backstory po, alam natin ng mga bata pa tayo, di ba? Ang palagi natin tinitingnan is full of wonderful moments. Why? Kasi tayo mga bata that time, kaya po tayo ganun kagaya, kaya po ganun tayo kasaya. And kunyari, di ko mapapansin nyo, galit tayo ngayon bilang bata, maya-maya naangipin na tayo sa galit natin. You know why? Because we didn't feel any, no? Any rejection, any objection on our part. Kasi nga, we are born out of love. So that's the key. Hindi mo mamamalas yung rejection kasi alam mo, you were born out of love ng mga parents mo. But here's the sad story. As we move along, mapapansin mo, palapit ng palapit, patanda ka ng patanda, you're gaining a lot of exposure, you're gaining a lot of different awakening, different realization na ang buhay pala, although life is beautiful, we said it, life is also full of challenges. You know why? Because life is full of adventure. Sad or happy, no? Kaya kung mapapansin, di ba doon sa may teatro, may nalulungkot, malungkot na mukha at may masayang mukha. And that is the life. What covers everything about what a human being is. But the good is, kaya ko po naikwento sa inyo because I'm going to share to you something, no, that will uplift, no, kahit paano, kung bagsado mabuhayan po tayo ng pinapangarap natin na those pangarap na na-inculcate sa puso't isipan natin ng ating dakilang ama, no, ay totoo pala. Ulitin ko yung pinasok sa puso't isipan natin ng bata pa na dream natin na maging ganito, dream natin na maging ganyan, honestly, totoo po yun. Kaya lang, because of the challenges, because of the situation na dumarating sa buhay natin na pang araw-araw, we are being misled, no? By the fact na makikita mo nila, hindi mo na iniisip yung pangarap mo ng bata ka. Bagkus, iniisip mo kung paano mo asikasuhin si Judith. Tama po ba? Judith means Judith mo sa Meralco, tama? Judith mo sa internet, no? Judith mo sa tubig, and the rest ng Judith. Kaya popular yung Judith, tama po ba? So, I'm addressing that issue. Na ang Judith, whether we like it or not, is part of our daily lives. Lalo may pamilya na tayo ngayon. Ako, I have a family of 3 kids. Actually, isa po doon ay kulay na, isa po matatapos ng mga senior high. Isa naman po papunta ng uh, what do you call this? Yung ano, yung additional na binigay ng gobyerno, yung 12K program natin o na senior high. But long story short, ang buhay ng tao, sabi nga, ay minsan nasa itaas, minsan nasa baba. Tama po ba? Type 1 in the chat yan kung totoo yung nasabi ko. And take note, hindi po ko exempted doon. Sabi ko nga po sa aking Facebook, no, nagkwento po ako ng buhay ko doon, na I was born in this manner. Anak, mag-aral ka maigi, kasi masunurin po ako anak eh. Para kapag nakapag-aral ka maigi, makahanap ka ng magandang trabaho. I just want you to be clarified on that. The message is very clear. Nag-aral tayo in elementary, high school, senior high, no? And then we go to the college, wherein the end point of it all is para makahanap ng trabaho. No one teaches us, no? We're not even, sabi nga natin binibigyan natin ng sisi ang ating mga magulang. No, because they came from that program. At syempre, kung ano yung program nila, yun ang papasa sa mga anak nila. Tama po ba? And at this very moment, at this very, very juncture, I just want to inform everyone that that kind of program is no longer existing at this very moment because we live in an internet-based environment wherein everyone can be purchased or bought in just a click of a button or just a touch screen in your cell phone. I hope you could relate to that. So the good news is, since we are a technology-driven environment, all those scenario na sinasabi natin, we are exchanging our hours for a penny is no longer existing at this very moment in time. You know why? Because other peoples around here at this present moment, habang sila natutulog, pagising nila, makikita nila sa GCash nila o kaya sa digital wallet nila o kaya sa kanilang mismong dashboard. Sabi nga natin, di ba, platform to, di ba? Magugulat ka, merong 10,000 pesos, iba diyan kumikita ng cryptocurrencies, iba diyan kumikita ng sa GCash, magugulat ka lang may pumasok na 50,000. You know why? Because gone are those days. Now we are even able to learn many, no, series of educational blah, blah, blah. But long story short, I just want you to point out na huwag po kayo mangamba kung ikaw po ay hindi nakatapos ng pag-aral ngayon. Ikaw po ay medyo kulang sa kaalaman kasi hindi ka kasi o graduate ng college o hindi o graduate ng high school o ikaw ba mismo ay senior citizen now na naghahanap ng oportunidad or ikaw ba yung PWD na tulad ko na malabo ang mata na naghanap din ng opportunity na kumita ng dolyar using online o ikaw ba yung tao na naghahanap ng online activity that you're going to earn massively. So if you're those people, isa pa po kung ikaw ay OFW na kailangan mong humiwalay ng panghabang matagalang panahon para kumita ng dolyar at mawala sa piling ng iyong mahal sa buhay. Kung ikaw po yun, sa mga nabanggit, this presentation that I'm going to present is for all of you. So I hope you will stay until then because at the end of the day, makikita nyo, meron po ako papakita sa inyo that could help you, no, on those pressing moments kung iba ba'y nangangamba sa pagbayad ng Judith mo, like what I said, this platform is for you. So, sa mahabat-habat sinasabi natin, I'm going to share this presentation for you. This is especially for you. So I'm going to share my screen and bear with me because this is something that you may know or you may not know. Again, this is for you. Okay, so now, no, wait for a moment, no. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, I hope. Naghang lang po siya. Wait lang po. I think I'm going to stop again. Mukhang naghang po, no? Ganito po talaga kapag live. Okay. So, again, let me share to you my screen, no? Now, okay, as you can see here, I'm just going to share to you something, a platform that is so phenomenal. And this 5-minute tour will give you an overview of what I'm telling you about. Please watch this video.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the LiveGood products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Okay, nakita niyo yun? So, what I'm going to present to you is something very, very phenomenon. Right now, pag-click mo sa Facebook or whatever social media na meron ka, meron sumisigit na ads. And you know what that is? Tama po, you heard me right. Yung po napakinggan nyo kanina. Live Good. And actually, up here, as you're seeing me, no, I have this t-shirt of mine na nakalagay, Live Good, I'm Spillover Generator. That is what we are here. Our team is called King Lions Tribe, no? Under the Infinity Tribe ng aming leader na si Coach Ryan Barillo na nasa Canada. He's actually a diamond na po rito na kung saan kumikita ng twice as much, no? Nang kinikita niya birang full-time na trabahador sa Canada. He's earning 2,000 Canadian dollar. Dito po nag-live good siya in just less than a year to be exact, no? He's earning double or more than that kasi he said that he's earning 5,000 a month dito sa platform ito. And long story short, I'll just go on continue presenting this for you to really appreciate what is this membership all about. Kung mapapasin nyo, ang background ko is all about membership sa hardcore, membership sa sports, membership sa SNR, membership sa Landers, whatever you may call it. This is the, sabi nga ni Northern Luzon, we are shaking, no, the word of commerce. So bear with me, no, I'm going to present to you now the full point I am driving at. So, okay, let me share this to you. A quick, no, quick overview. Kung mapapansin niyo po, ako po yun si Ricardo Abanea na got this 1,000 club membership, no, dito sa aming platform. And I am a gold rank, no, at this point in time. I joined Live Good way back April 5, 2023 last year, wherein nakita ko po talaga na ang platform na to ay hindi kaparehas na naagis na natin mga multi-level industry na kung saan alam natin na marami po napapasok. But bear with me, no, this short presentation will give you enough things for you to consider this platform. And long story short, this is the CEO na nagpapaliwanag kanina. Kung mapapasin niyo, ito po si Coach Ryan Barillo, which is our diamond leader, na sinikap niya talagang puntahan tong mismong warehouse na to at makita at makausap ang ating humble na CEO na under than tawag ni Coach Ryan dito is kumparing Ben natin. Tama po ba? And now, wala po siyempre hindi makaka-recognize sa napaka-humble din at napaka-bait na first Filipino crown diamond, which is none other than Coach Fernan Santiago. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang galak at ngiti ko dyan. Kitang-kita, ngiti-ngiti talaga ako. Saan kasi, yan ang ikalawang beses ko nakita siya. Na kung saan hindi po yan nang iisnab, kundi kapag nakita mo yan, walang iniwan sa isang artistahin ba, palagi yan naka-smile. And if you're going to see, no, yan, that is me, no? During that time, nagkaroon ng massive first ever anniversary ng uh, Dream Makers Worldwide. Ako po ay napalo na kabilang dyan sa actually ang buong what you call this sa platform na yan ay located sa Bonifacio Global City. At kung mapapansin nyo, hindi po piso ang pagrenta dyan. They cost them millions. And you know what? Ang quota po dyan is talaga 1,000 lang ang pwedeng pumasok sa venue na yan. And you know what happened? That is crowded, you know, because ang pumasok po dyan sa napakaganda, napaka-meaningful na training niyan at the same time anniversary ng Dream Makers Worldwide ay 1,400. Pinapalakpakan yan, tama po. At syempre, ito po ang buting asawa ng ating Diamond Leader. No? Nakasama niya, si Ma'am Jean po yan. Together with our comparing Ben. Okay? So as a brief summary, itong makikita niyong figure na to, I just want you to be informed that this happened in less than, take note 14 or let's say 13 months. What is the significance of 1,050,000 subscriber globally? Ito po ang ibig sabihin niyan. Wala po nino man since time immemorial nagkaroon ng isang member club na platform o kaya networking company nagkaroon ng 1,050,000 members sa loob lang ng 13 or 14 months. And to cut the long story short, ang ibig pong sabihin niyan, kung mapapansin, hinimay-himay ko na po para hindi na kayo mabilaukan. Ibig pong sabihin niyan, sa loob po ng isang buwan, meron po sa Live Good na pumapasok ng 80,770 people month after month after month. I-breakdown po natin in number of days. There are 2,492 new members day after day after day ang nag-join sa platform na to. And the last but not the least, which is I want you to be very, very mindful of this, is kada patak ng oras, may 112 people na nag-join kada oras. Kaya ko po binigkas yan para maramdaman mo yung power of numbers. 1,050,000 is so huge. Pero kung bibigyan mo ng importansya yung productivity level, I tell you, 112 people per hour is something. Tama po ba? So what is this kind na platform na pinag-usapan natin? Live Good has this kind of opportunity. Unlike most home business opportunities like Live Good is not about overpriced products. Hindi po ganyan si Live Good na kailangan natin patasin yung maraming markup yung product para kumita yung iba. But this is about saving people money on health products. Take note, nagsimula lang po tayo sa health products. It doesn't stop there. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, and if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this presentation that I'm going to share to you will be for you, okay? So Live Good is a club membership that pays. Take note, the keyword is, this is a membership that pays. So you can earn money as a club member of Live Good, whether or not you refer other members to this program. This is wonderfully true. Okay, so ang tanong mo, o sige, ba't ka nagagala, Coach Rowa? By the way, my name sa YouTube po is Coach Rowa or Ricardo o Aban po yan for short. Why do I join Live Good and why you must join Live Good? Because of these 6 reasons. Number 1, amazing products po ang makikita nyo mamaya na uncomparable. Kung sana hindi mo makikita sa market, sa amin lang po yan. Number 2, incredible prices po bawat produkto, very, very affordable. I'll give you the reason why then. No auto shipping, ibig sabihin hindi ka kailangan i-compel bumili na every month na produkto. You can buy it whatever you want it when you like it, okay? No monthly products to buy. And pinaka most interesting na nagustuhan ko rito is that this company alone have this tinatawag na 90-day money back guarantee kapag hindi mo nagustuhan yung produkto namin. No? at naubos mo yung laman ng canister, ibalik mo within 90 days, ibabalik ng company yung pera na pinambili mo ng produkto. Isn't that amazing? And by the way, we just started. Magpupunta pa lang po kami sa aming ika-15th year, 15 month, I'm sorry. And we are the number one business through social media sa ads. Mapapansin niyo po yan. Okay, so we started last December 13, 2022 with these powerful products. Okay, mapapansin niyo sa mga sa images na yan, we only started with that kind of products, Super Red, Super Green, weight loss coffee, magnesium, etc., etc. But let me remind you, in less than, take note that in less than 14 months, there are 25 more products in our pipeline. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo, this is interesting. Okay? So, paano ba ito nangyari? Because of this team, Live Good Team, ang tawag ko rito. Di ba, nanonood kayo ng what they call this, yung Marvel Superheroes, di ba? This is the Fantastic Four of Live Good. Under the CEO's name, which is paring Ben Litsky, etong two powerful couple, sabi ko, dynamic duo to dynamic couple. Ryan Goodkin is a doctor in pharmacist, whereas, which is the director of the product development, whereas yung kanyang loving wife is the director of product education. Ini-educate niya lahat, even non-members at saka members ng platform na to, para makompleto yung health span mo. While si Dr. Ryan Goodkin naman ay nagpo-formulate ng mga very, very purest and high potent ingredients ng mga products namin for you to gain better health. At ang good news, alam natin si Northern Quezon is for people's business. Ibig sabihin makamasya yan tulad natin. Northern Quezon is the same thing. He is the legendary icon of networking. And he is our director of network marketing. And if you can see this wonderful smile of Coach Fernan, siya lang naman po ang first ever Filipino na naging crown diamond po, ng bansang ito. He is the second crown diamond. I will share to you later kung ano ibig sabihin yan. But for the meantime, bakit masayan? Kasi not only is healthy, but he's gaining health and wealth at the same time. So, what is the simple mission of Live Good? Simple lang. Sa Tagalog, ikaw ay magiging healthy or malusog at pananatilihin kang malusog sa mga produktong nababagay sa iyo sa halagang maa-afford mo or sa halagang pwede mo at kaya mong bilhin. So, Live Good is different. Live Good provides you an opportunity to earn so that you can purchase the product that will even make you and stay you to a healthy lifespan, diba? So, that is wonderful message. So, kapag ikaw may mensahe ka, meron ka tinatawag na mission, you will liken to our Lord Jesus Christ na may mission siya dito, diba? Meaning, kapag ikaw may mission, what you focus on is expand. And that's the reason why Live Good has this massive, phenomenal impact na right now, nasa more than 1 million na po ang members. So we have the highest quality products, which are all made in the USA. I just want to repeat, these products that you're seeing right now, which cannot be unseen, are all made in the USA. So as a backstory ng bata pa ako, I always hear, meron kasi akong best friend dito dati na kapag meron siyang mga chocolates made outside, or imported, tawag nga natin, di ba? Di ba, syempre, ipi-friend mo yung tao. Tama. Kasi bata ka pa lang, meron ka ng tinatawag na alam mo, ulterior motive, di ba? Siyempre, pagka malapit ka sa grasya, siyempre, masaya, di ba? So, I have a friend din na every na may balikbayan po siyang tatay. So, kapag nandun kami, nag-uunta, he's my best friend, by the way, actually, pass na po siya, patay na po siya sa madaling salita. We are so candid to one another. Kung meron ako, meron siya. Kung meron siya, meron ako. So, we shared a lot. We shared a lot on those kiddie days. However, napansin ko kapag yung may mga naiinggit sa akin kasi nga mag-best friend kami, I just want to take note kung bakit kinukuwento yun, kasi siya mismo meron kunyari siyang M&M, and M&M is, sabi nga, melts in your mouth, not in your hands, 'di ba? Yung those things na alam mo naman na sa masarap kapag made in USA kasi nga urig. And therefore, our product is also approved by the GMP. What do I mean by GMP? GMP means, no, uh, this is all about good manufacturing practice certified. Ulitin ko GMP means good manufacturing practices. Certified po na from raw materials up to the processing of the same, up to lumabas na maging finished good, hanggang lumabas dun sa may mismong AMI store, you are assured that is certified perfectly well. And not only that, it is all it is lab tested for purity and potency. I will show you later that's not me. So over 50 life-changing products dan po tayo nagsimula. But right now, I just want to inform you everyone that we have more than 15. I think right now nasa 20 na siya. And there's additional products in the pipeline, which is I think 25 the way they said it. So LiveGood is a US-based direct sales company. Focus on what? Muna wellness and digital service industry. So what are this wellness for? For wellness for all po mga kapatid. What do I mean by wellness for all? Ito po, men's health, skincare, immunity. Sinabi na, nandiyan na po, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, pati babae po, kasama po rito. Yes, you heard me right. Anti-aging. Sino ayaw ng anti-aging mga kapatid? Lalo sa mga stressful days ngayon na punong-puno pa rin ng hindi lang natin siya sabi, hindi lang natin pinapansin. Pero mga kapatid, COVID season pa rin ha. And then energy. So this is what I'm referring to. Yung sinasabi ko kanina na lab tested. As a backstory, meron akong nasalihan na networking company na I'm so much engrossed and I'm so much confident on that product. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi natas ko naman na effective. Kasi kapag iniinom ko yun, kasi meron po akong gout mga kapatid. Recently nga, I was attacked by it. Actually, it caused me to take a leave no, for 3 days. Gout is very, very chronic disease na kung alam niyo lang, very painful po yan. But long story short, nung tinikman ko yung mismong product na yun, natutuwa ako, you know why? Ang tawag doon, D24/7, okay? Tago na natin sa pangalan ganon. Ang nangyari kasi, totoo naman effective siya kasi nawala yung pain and everything. But I wasn't able to learn through my due diligence. This company has a certificate of analysis indicating and stating to you that this company is producing an effective and rightfully so na ang ingredients is not harmful to your body. The way you take your medicine causes you certain problems hindi mo lang alam. So sa backstory ulit para ma-appreciate nyo. Anong purpose ng certificate of analysis? Ito is likened to an X-ray wherein sabi mo, I'm healthy, di ba? O sabi ng doktor, sige, sabi mo, healthy ka. O check natin yung internal organs mo. Pa-X-ray ka. What will happen? So ikaw naman, you will be submit yourself to that, right? So after certain number of hours, ito na, papakita mo ngayon mismong X-ray film mo sa doktor mo. Sasabihin ng doktor mo, putik naman, no? Sabi mo healthy ka, ba't may tama baga mo? Ba't may tama ganito? Ba't may tama? That is the purpose of certificate of analysis. It is stating to you na sinasabi na upon examining through that X-ray film, kunyari lang, I'm just giving you illustration, these products are very, very consumable to the body of every human being staying here on earth. Ano ibig sabihin? Yung mismong kinakwento ko kanina na sinasabi kong effective, hindi ko to nakitahan ng ganitong klaseng certificate of analysis. Bukod tanging LiveGood lang po ang meron yan, kaya pinapadakpakan po yan. Not only that, no, going back to my experience, sabi ko nga, ako po ay may gout. I'll be honest with you So nito lang, this is a true to life experience. Sabi ko, kaya ko naman eh. At nung araw, can you imagine? Una sabi ko, naramdaman ko, pinahilip ko pa nga sa misis ko, akala ko naipitan na ugat. may misis ko kasi graduate ng physical therapist yan. So kaka-press sa joint ko sa may kaliwang bahagi ng aking hita. Sabi niya, "Daddy, wala ka naman talagang ipitan na ugat eh. Tumaas ang uric acid mo." Sabi ko, yari ako. Alam ko na yung kasunod nun. I will be experiencing chronic pain sa mga joints na posibleng kung sino at kung saan magdi-deposit yung large amount of uric acid. At first, naramdaman ko bandang kaliwa ng paa ko. Ito good news. On the second day, absent na ako ng Monday On the second day, which is Tuesday, umakyat. Kasi nung una hindi pa ako uminom ng yun nga, yung sinabi ng doktor ko sa Philippine Orthopedic Center. So, pabili na ako ng Lyanol. Ito pa matindi. This is very, very staggering. Please bear with me. This is a wonderful na kwento because this is a true to life which happened to me recently lang. Ang chronic pain nagdeposito sa kaliwang binti ko dun sa pinakatuhod ko. And because of that, 3 araw po ako. Yung araw na yon at saka sumunod na araw, hindi po ako masyadong makalakad ng gusto. Kung pipilitin ko naman, mukha akong tanga. You know why? Edad mo 50 plus, pero mukha kang, sa paglakad mo, edad mo mukha ka ng 75 years old. That is very, very annoying experience, I tell you. At ang gusto kong maramdaman nyo, the reason why kinukwento ko sa inyo, para malaman nyo, para ma-stop yung pain na yon, pinabili ko na ang misis ko ng bukod sa Lyanol, na this is a medication given to me by my doctor sa Philippine Orthopedic Center. Ito, Arcoxia. O sige, you search Arcoxia. I-search nyo, padala nyo yung certificate of analysis kung merong ingredients doon na harmful sa katawan. And yes, that medicine ay hindi po talaga dapat tinitake. But because of that chronic pain, kailangan kong i-take even though may harmful ingredients dun sa loob ng tableta na yon because of that chronic pain. Kaya ano ibig sabihin? Simple lang. This product na sinishare ko sa inyo ngayon, meron po diyang product na inaantay ko kasi bumili ako ng International Health Pack for Men wherein meron dun tinatawag na Factor 4 na good para i-address tong kinukwento ko sa inyong sakit ko na gout. So meaning, itong bagay na sinasabi ko sa inyo is so powerful na magbibigay sa na idea, meron palang mga products na kung saan can address that pain. Like in my case, yung gout ko. Ang good news niyan, this company has developed ways wherein you can afford such product in a very affordable way. And listen to me, this is powerful. Kasi as a backstory, may mga previous activity tayo na kapag ikaw, meron ka kunyari magandang produkto, I will give you a backstory of this, Ngayon, isa kang drugstore, right? Ang gagawin mo ngayon, para lumaki na lumaki yung kita mo, papadaanin mo sa channels yan, tama? Let's say, materials. Let's say, process. Di ba? Pupunta ka ng manufacturing company, ipaprocess mo yung produkto mo, Until such time, mapunta yan saan? Doon sa may mismong warehouse mo, na kung saan yung mga retail businesses, let's say for instance sa mga drugstore, like in our case, mga generic pharmacies and Mercury drugs, they will be the one buying that to you. And you will charge a little more kasi magkakaligat nga ng tao dahil sila magdi-delivery doon. At yung mismo Mercury drug, siyempre they bought it on a certain number of price at meron po mga tao yan. Meron po mga building yan. Meron po mga babayaring taxes yan. Saan po ikakarga? Yung nabili nilang produkto, sa consumer. I hope you're getting me. I'm just giving you an education for you to realize this is what is really going even until at this point in time. Excuse me, So long story short, kaya kapag bibili ka na napakaliit na antibiotic, isang maliit na antibiotic, ang halaga 86 pesos. Isa lang kailangan mo 'tong inumin dahil sa sakit mo for let's say 100 days. You're going to have 8,600 expenses, no, para sa antibiotic na yun. You know why? Because of the process I'm telling you before. Kasi nagpatong yung isa para magpatong na isa para kumita, tama? So ano sabi? Nowadays, even yung mismong those MLM companies, ganun din naging sistema. Nakita nila na pwede nilang gawin yan. Sabi nila, o sige, hindi ka na magpapass through sa distribution center. Hindi ka na magpapass through sa mga nag-advertise ng mga artista. Ikaw na mismo ang magiging artista ng produkto mo. Are you getting me? Ano punto ko? I-charge ka pa rin dun sa portion na yun, pero less minimal cost kasi ikaw na yung mismong bida ng produkto mo, so nabawasan ka ng 10% kaya parang mas mura sa kanila. But let me remind you, sabi ni Northern Guzan, the director of our network marketing, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people at the top of compensation plan can get rich are over because of Live Good, our David in this kind of industry. Get it? So, why? Why was that? Ito po ang kwentuhan natin. Sa ibang platform, let's say, punta ng Amazon. I'm directing you para makita mo I'm not misleading you. Punta ka sa Amazon, check mo yung Skinny Green. Ito kasi hindi to updated. O kaya AGT. Makita mo, ang presyo nila is $99.99. O kaya, for a price of Super Green. Organifi, i-charge ka $69.99. Yung skinny green, no, super green, skinny green sa Amazon, makikita mo talaga actually, I searched on that recently lang. $99.95 po yon. Pero po sa Live Good, $18 with certificate of analysis indicating this is not harmful to your health. Ang tanong ko, gusto mo bang bumili ng produkto na worth $99.95 na walang certificate of analysis o sa aming pong platform na makakasiguro ko na of highest potency and of highest quality product at an affordable price which is $18. Your guess is as good as mine. Okay po ba? Interesting? So, not only that, multivitamins, yung iba po 30 capsules lang. Magkano presyo? 1,000. Actually, napunta ako sa SNR one day. Chinek yung multivitamins nila, nagkakos ng pagpaligam $700 to $800. Alam mo, alaman, 30 capsules. Sa amin po, ma'am. Kapag naging member ka sa amin, this bioactive complete multivitamins for men or this bioactive, no, complete multivitamins for men with iron will cost only $9.95 kapag member ka na. Ibig sabihin, more or less nasa 600 pesos. Ito ang tip ko sa iyo. Hindi po sa 30 capsules. 60 capsules. Double your money to, kapatid. A penny saved is a penny earned, sabi nga ni Franklin Roosevelt. This is true in our platform. Interesting, right? So ito pa. Alam niyo po ba, may tito ko na palaging gumagamit ng collagen. Kasi one time, nakita ko siya, iniinom niya. Alam niyo pa per bottle nun? Dito sa isang kilalang drugstore. Sige na, pangalangan na nga natin yung Watson. Punta kayo doon. Hindi natin alam yung produkto, kung ano yung ingredients, pero take note, kapag ang iniinom mo ay made of liquids, tandaan mo may chemicals yan. And long story short, kapag chemicals, that is also something na may ingredients na not very healthy sa katawan natin. Ang good news sa itong collagen na pinapakita ko sa inyo has a peptide, types 1 and 2 peptides na kung saan very powerful. I just want you to inform that itong collagen na pinapakita ko sa inyo is also seen in other platform na ang halaga is $79.96. Isa naman na Organifi is $69.95. Can you imagine this Isa almost $80. Isa is almost $70 sa amin. Kapag bumili ka ng ganyan, again, uulit-ulitin ko lang ito kami po ay merong certificate of analysis indicating na itong aming collagen is good for your body, no harmful or tinatawag natin unadulterated ingredients that will harm your body. Ano halaga? Hindi po $79, hindi po $69, $27.95 lang. Ang tanong ko, sabi nga ni Doc Erin dito, isa sa mga powerful naming doktor na psychologist, let's have a game. Ano gusto mo? Higher price or lower price? Tama? Your guess is as good as mine. So, yung story short, sige, interesado na ako sa product, paano ba ako maging member diyan? Napakadali lang po. Una, meron po kaming pinapasa ng sponsor link. Yung tinatawag namin 5-minute free tour, yung napakinggan nyo po kanina, napanood nyo po kanina na pinost ko, meron po doon link na kung saan ibibigay mo lang at ilalagay mo na yung pangalan mo. And at the same time, makikita mo yung email mo ilalagay mo doon. Okay. So right now, ang mangyayari, magbabayad ka lang ng membership namin. Walang iniwan sa SNR. Ako kasi member ako doon. I annually pay 700 pesos ha. Pero ang tanong ko, bibigyan kita ng tip ha. Alam mo ba kung ilang members na ng mismo SNR? Actually, sobrang dami na. Let's say 1 million or so ha. I'm giving you the idea, kung may 1 million na members ang SNR, multiply mo ng 700, that is equivalent to 700 million pesos. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, enough ba yung binabayad mong 700? Kahit alam mo na kumikita sila ng malaki sa membership pa lang, sabihin mo, oo. Kasi parang ako, oo. Bakit? I bought certain body wash there. I bought shampoo. Alam mo yung kailangan Johnson & Johnson. Buy one, take one lahat yun. At ang lalaki po ng mga sizes. Ito ang good news of highest quality rin. So, money back, di ba? Ang dating, di ba, parang may money back. Kasi we always believe that kapag meron ka matitipid, you grab that opportunities, di ba? Dito po ganun din. Magbabayad lang kayo ng monthly na 9.95 or meron po kaming promo. Kapag gusto mong bumili on a yearly basis or on monthly basis, mag-yearly subscription ka kasi bakit? Hindi mo siya babayaran ng $120 per month, you only pay $100 good for 1 year. At ito ang nakakatuwa. Ang SNR po, meron like now, first day of March, meron po tinatawag buyers sa SNR, may tinatawag na buyers promo, wherein those member ng SNR will have to shop, no? Na ma-excite ka, alam mo kung bakit. Kasi may buy one, take one promo na naman ang SNR. So, everyone na member po doon is so excited. But guess what? I found something much more interesting. Alam mo kung bakit? This platform na kinukwento ko sa iyo, hindi lang po siya for March or September. Discount na 50%. It is more than that. You're going to appreciate 75% savings, no, compared to other product of other multi-level marketing companies. That is amazing because year-round po siya, hindi po lang March, hindi lang po September, year-round from January to December. Ang pribileyo mo magkaroon ng up to 75% discount on all products. Take note ha, even yung incoming products sa 25, you have guaranteed to have such savings and that alone is very, very powerful. Tama? So, here are some of the testimonies given by other, no? Hindi po to akin na hindi po ako member, hindi ko po siya ka-member dito. Ano sabi? This is from Canada. Jorna Season says that great company po ang Live Good. He get in daw, no? She get in last quarter of 2023, sabi niya, no? Sabi niya, my orders arrived in a timely manner. Katulad ko, I'm just waiting for my international health pack for men. Actually, when I've searched on that as a backstory lang, yung value po ng 6 na produkto na yon na matatanggap ko, actually within this week, nagsabi na sa akin yung support team, will be over $350 to $400. Excluding pa yung shipping nun ha, by the way. And you know what? The good news is may promo po ang company na to. If you want to grab this opportunity, bakit? Hindi nyo po babayaran siya ng $350 or more dollars. And with no shipping fee, you just need to purchase kapag member ka na, no? Those 6 products for only $89.95, hindi po $350, hindi po $400, just $89.95 for a price of 6 powerful, impactful products. Ano punto ko? Paano, sir? Gusto ko lang maging retail consumer. Don't you worry, ma'am. You be a retail, mabibili niyo po sa hindi rin 400 at hindi rin $300. $129 something dollars lang. Kaya kung ako sa iyo, ang link ko po, papakita ko po sa inyo mamaya, i-click niyo po yon for you to get this wonderful opportunity. Sabi niya, kasi pinasadahan ko lang po yun ha. Sabi niya, I become a member and ordered my supplements for 3 times already. Sabi niya, bakit ka bibili ng 3 beses kung hindi effective yun? Interesting, di ba? Great products kasi, ang sabi niya. I noticed a lot has been changed in my body. Okay, thank you, Live Good. And here's another thing. Actually, follower na po ko nito sa social media. And her name is Dessa Okbinya, I'm sorry, from the Philippines. Kasi po siya po ay isa ng diamond leader dito. Ano sabi niya? Live Good is a revolutionary company. I never had been this blessed since I started to work in any MLM company. Thanks to CEO Kumparing Ben Gisi for being a good example of his amazing leadership. Tama po yan. And by helping millions of people be financially free. Can you imagine that? And be healthy at the same time. O, diba? Powerful. Products are also good and best for everyone. Highly recommended yung product at yung company's opportunity. Try it and you will surely enjoy. Ito ang gusto ko ma-appreciate nyo. During that time na mismo meron kaming gathering, hinanap ko talaga itong babaeng to. Siya po si Jessa Oxbinya at siya po ay diamond leader. Kasi your good friend here, the presenter, wants to be like that, a diamond holder, a diamond rank holder. So why is it so interesting? This company developed a system where it will disrupt the commerce globally through what we call subscription-based model. As a backstory po, alam po natin lahat ito at alam nyo rin po yan na merong Amazon Prime, may Netflix, sa Amerika may Sam, may Costco, may Disney. Sa Pilipinas, may SNR, may Landers. Tama po ba? Okay? Type 1 in the chat kung naniniwala ka. Ito good news. Yung mga yan, may mga subscription pwedeng monthly, pwedeng yearly. Like for instance, Amazon, may $14.99 per month. Or you can pay $139 per year. Ang tanong ko, ilan ang members ng Amazon Prime? Ito, this is not dated. Right now, after, let's say, more than 20 years, they got 200 million subscribers. Amazon po yan. Netflix, meron pong 232 million subscribers. Sam sa Amerika, may 47 million members. Costco, parang walang I think this is the mother or sister company ng SNR. Got 123 million members sa Amerika. And nonetheless, punta tayo kay Disney, puros nanonood ka lang dyan, meron din po silang membership tag na kung saan subscription-based, pero may 42 million members. Ang tanong ko, ito lang. Sa mga nabanggit kong mga club membership, ang tanong ko, Netflix alone, nag-subscribe ka, kumita ka ba? Amazon Prime, nag-member ka, kasi alam mo maganda yung blah 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 na product. Ang tanong ko, kumita ka ba? Those mentioned subscription-based company are earning lots of tons and tons of dollars, whereas you is just a mere member consuming all their goods. Good news, everyone. That model had been copied by this platform and giving you ways to earn. And why? Because Live Good is the membership that pays. At yan ay pinapalakpakan. So, right now, naka-zoom po ako no? Nitong 2022 ang Zoom po, no? Dati hindi kilala yan, but because of pandemic, no? Timing, dati hindi kilala sa Amerika yan eh. From 2021, got $2.62 billion revenue. Pagdating ng 2022, no? They got 4.1 billion of dollars na kinita. Ang tanong ko, kumurot ba kasi by the way, itong Zoom na to ay Zoom po ni Coach Ryan. Si Coach Ryan ba, kumurot ng kita sa 4.1 billion na yan? Your guess is as good as mine. Tama? What about Netflix? Pinaiyak ka na ng Cora Novela. Pinangiti ka ng mga comedians dyan. Ang tanong ko, nung kumita sila ng 31.47 billion, you being a subscriber, nakakurot ka pa dyan? Sa 31.47 billion na kita, again, your guess is as good as mine. Kasi alam mo, wala. Pina-enjoy ka lang, pinaiyak ka lang, and everything. Pero yung kita nila, sila'y naangiti. Tama? Ikaw, sumaya at umiyak. Tama? What about Costco? Costco has 59 members household. Meron pong 107 million cardholders yan. And guess what? Numbers don't lie. 88% worldwide po ang renewal rate niyan. Meaning, if you convert yung 100 million subscriber, 88 million po ang paulit-ulit na nagre-renew ng kanilang membership. And that is a lot. You know why? That's the reason they earn $3.5 billion in membership alone. Okay, here's the thing. Almost done na po ako. Please bear with me. So actually, meron pa po ang presentation. I'm just giving you the whole idea. I'm so excited about this. But what if Live Good has this privilege, no, for you to earn $2,000 or more per month by utilizing and subscribing and enjoying the 75% off of this product of this company? Would you bear to take a look at this opportunity? Thank you. If those people na okay na kayo dahil sa first part, then you may leave this particular group chat or this platform that I'm having. But for you who are interested, no, sabi ko nga, kung ikaw mismo ay OFW na gustong kumita ng dolyar sa labas ng Pilipinas, kung ikaw mismo ay senior citizen, no, PWD na gustong kumita online, o ikaw mismo bago ka pa lang sa online selling, no, gusto mo kumita ng let's say dollars dito, at kung ikaw mismo ay estudyante, o ikaw mismo, anything na gusto mong kumita, this is for you, okay? Empleyado ka man, nasawang-sawa na, sa 8 to 5, pero you're not meeting ends meet, this is for you, okay? So, Live Good has a Live Good affiliates. We also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan ever, di ba? So, how to become an affiliate member? Simple lang, katulad sinabi ko kanina, may sponsor link yan, napanood nyo kanina ng 5-minute video, at magbabayad kang one-time fee na $49.95 on your first month. Bakit? May breakdown po yan. May $40 na one-time affiliate fee. All throughout, affiliate ka na ng platform na to. And yung $9.95 na advance mo for that first year is inclusive na dyan. Thereafter, on a month-to-month basis, gusto mo is to subscribe on such period. However, katulad sinabi ko kanina, meron po kaming promo. If you want to have an annual subscription, you don't need to pay $120. You just need to pay $100 and you are entitled to save that $20. Again, a penny saved is a penny earned thing. Tama po ba? And who doesn't want savings, right? Alam mo yan. So, ang tanong, Coach Roa, what if I give you that $49.95? Ano ba akin dyan? Sabi nga ng Koreano, ano akin dyan, diba? Diba? Ano meron ako dyan, diba? Ano Korean, diba? Tama? Meron ka ng access to membership club na pinapaliwanag ko pa lang kanina. That alone is very, very staggering. Bakit? Hindi po month after month ang savings mo, kundi year round for as long as nagsasubscribe ka either monthly or yearly. And I will really suggest you go to a yearly subscription. Not only that, you're going to have a digital marketing products wherein yung nakita nyo ko po kanina na video na sinasabi na ang overview ng what will Live Good will give you. whether health or whether health, yun po ay ibinibigay na siya ng free. I recall back then na meron po ako inatinan na certain training for that digital marketing, blah, blah, blah. You know, it cost me 10,000 to attend the training. And an additional 10,000 for other trainings. To the point na long story short, mga kapatid, I'll be honest with you, gumastos po ako noon ng 25,000. Kaka-attend lang. Ano point ko? Eto binibigay na ng free, ayaw mo pa. Tama? And not only that, this is very, very powerful. Nung nalaman ko to, sabi ko, kailangan kong gawin to kasama ang pamilya ko. Bakit? You're going to participate in the compensation plan. Okay, so going to compensation plan, kung mapapansin niyo po, hindi na po updated yan. Hindi lang po 6 ang ways to earn dito sa platform na to. The company is so, what do you call this, masyadong, may tawag doon eh, hindi naman glamorous, but ano siya, giving ba? Generous, that's the key. The company is so generous na instead of 6 ways to earn, sabi ng company, nag 1 million na tayo and so on and so forth. So, ibig sabihin, naiintindihan nila yung plano at mission ng company to, gawin nating 8 ways to earn. Infinity ang dating, di ba? 8, di ba? Parang pag sinulat mo 8, di ba? Infinity ways to earn to. But these are the following: weekly fast start, matrix, matching bonus, retail commission, influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, which is divided into 2. Ano yun? One is the 2% and the other is 0.5%, you being a crown diamond. Not only that, they introduce another thing, nitong recent lang, nitong nakaraang taon, nakaraang buwan, na for the first purchase ng mismong customer mo or members mo, you get a first time purchase of your affiliate. I think 10%, which will be divided accordingly. But the good news is, alam ko napaka-precious na yung time mo. So I'm going to delve only on these 3 aspects now, which is very powerful. The moment I covered it, you satisfy everything here. Yung 8, you will be satisfied. Bakit? I will only disclose to you weekly fast start bonus, matrix commission, and matching bonus. So here is how it works. First is a weekly fast start commission. Kung mapapansin niyo, first percentage yan ha. Inilid ko yun sa tamang way. Yung sinasabing level 1 dito, 50% whether rank ka, no, or whether up to diamond rank ka. It doesn't matter kapag first level, it means yan yung direct mo. Okay? Okay? So, meaning kapag yan yung direct mo, no, ikaw mismo ay makakatanggap ng 50% sa lahat ng direct mo. Okay? Paano kapag nag-level 2, no? Habang ikaw tumataas yung rango, yung 50% mo nadadagdagan hanggang sa maging diamond ka. Up to 10th level po yan, kapatid. Ano ibig sabihin nun, sir? Yung in-invite mo, na hindi mo na in-invite, at dahil na-invite mo, may kita ka pa rin for as long as you rank up. Sabi nga ni Tim Miller, you must rank up to bank up. That is the message of weekly fast start bonus. Kasi bakit weekly? Ang kinita mo ngayon hanggang Thursday, kasi ang Thursday natin ngayon is cut-off is Thursday. Sa Pilipinas, ang cut-off is hanggang Friday ng 3 p.m. Any activity, no, prior to the cut-off will be yours to take the next week. Kaya kung ikaw mismo meron kang 10, in this case, pakita ko sa inyo, meron kang 10 na repair this point in time, cut off. Magkano ang kikita mo? You're going to earn 50% of the $50. How much that? $25, kapatid. Sabi nga ng isang member dito, nung pinapaliwanag niya sa isang business partner niya na kapwa niya teacher, na nag-return niya, Mari, ano ba yung pinagkakabalan mo? Mari, may nakita akong platform. At dollars ang kitan dito. Take note not even seeing the presentation I'm sharing to you, not even seeing how the marketing plan works, dahil, take note this is powerful, I just give you an insight, nung sinabi niya ng kumari niya na dollars ang kitan dito, ano mo sabi ng kumari niya? Join ako dyan. No rejection, di ba? Here, kapag meron kang napakinggan, at nakita mo may dollars at nakapag-invite ka ng 10, mare, $250 ang kita mo rito. At ang good news, mga kapatid, Yung referral mo, yung pag-share mo ng landing page, unlimited po ang directs niyan, week after week after week. At yan po ay pinapalakpakan. As shown in this case, kapag ikaw, no, may na-invite ka at nag-join, the $50, 50% of that, you get $25 on your first level. Interesting? Ang good news nito, this $25 bonuses na kinukwento ko sa'yo, wala pong auto ship unlike in other MLM company na kailangan mong bumili ng month after month after month. No quotas, katulad ng other networking companies at no volume requirements. The moment lang na may mag-direct ka at yung nag-direct mo na yan, nagsabing join ako dyan, you get 25 bonuses month after month, week after week, depending upon your movement. Ibig sabihin, depending upon kung gaano mo kagusto ang $25. Boom! Exciting, di ba po? So let's take a certain tawag ko nga social proof. This is not my account. Kung mapapansin mo, may mga weekly rito na nakatumbas na 2,000 every week. I just want you to inform you, kung every week may 2,000 ka, plus meron kang tinatawag na monthly income dito kasi dito sa company to, not only we giving you weekly income, we also give you monthly income. Kaya ikaw ba naman tumanggap ng $10,372.97? Isn't that amazing? Actually, almost kalahati na ng sahod ko yan sa kalahating taon na sinasahod ko sa COA yan. I hope you're getting me. So, how we move on to the next commission, which is Matrix Commission. I just want to reframe a little bit para ma-appreciate nyo naman na we always wanted you to get educated. Ha? Sabi nga ng isa natin, bilang kumandidato ng pagka-president dati, di ba? Yung nasa laylayan, di ba? We will educate you. Ako hindi po para doon. Ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo, that's the reason why I'm educating you for so long a time because lahat po tayo ay nagtatrabaho, majority sa ating mga Pinoy. But what if I tell you certain things na kahit hindi ka nagtatrabaho, by mere joining with this powerful platform, kumikita ka ng $2,000 month after month after month. Paano? Ito po yun. We have this what we call Matrix Commission. Ibig sabihin, this Matrix Commission, meron na nakalimutan na ilagay sa una. At yung Matrix Commission yan, meron po na una sa Matrix. Ano yan? Force Matrix Commission. Ibig sabihin, whether kung ikaw mag-invite ka o hindi, for as long as, here's the key, listen to me, for as long as you continue your subscription, either yearly or either monthly, magkakaroon ka ng chance. No? Chance take that, I'm giving you na automatic, pag sali mo sa amin dito, may 2,000. No. I don't mean that. What I'm trying to say, you stay with us, you stay with Live Good for so long a time. It could be 2 years, it could be 3 years, whatever. But stay with your subscription for the next 2 to 3 years or even todo mo pa, 5 years pa. You know why? Because this phenomenal company could give you 2,000 if you are unranked. Bakit? Once po nagkaroon ng mismong spillover na sinasabi rito, hindi ka nag-i-invite, hanggang level 12 ka lang, Mare. Kasi hindi ka nga nag-invite. Pero wag ka mag-alala, Mare. Ito yung pinapaliwanag ng company, ha? Para maunawaan niyo po, ha? Hindi po yan mislead ka ng company. I'm giving you here as an auditor, as a certified public accountant, as a professor, para magbigay linaw. No? This $2,000 is all 100% true. Bakit? May business partner po ang ganyan, na senior citizen na po, nag-join po sa akin and explain this manner, alam mo, nag-join siya, i-join niya yung anak niya at misis niya, I tell you why kung bakit. And guess what? Wala na po siya ng in-invite after that. You know what? He's earning the way I'm saying to right now. Meron po siyang spillover coming to me, which is my 2 beloved sons na nasa ilalim ng anak niya. Ang nagbigay po ay yung matrix na to. Meron po akong tiga Canada, meron po akong tiga businessman sa may Santa Rosa na napunta sa side ng asawa niya na negative sa ganitong proseso. Alam mo, good news, mahal na siya na asawa niya ngayon. Dahil yung asawa niya kumikita ng dolyar without spending any activity of inviting. How is that interesting? That is the power of this matrix. Wherein, ang gagawin lang naman ng matrix, mga kapatid, the moment nagkaroon ka na ng dalawa, no, automatic yung anything that will be over and above 2 will be on the next level, which is level 2. At kapag yung 4 na puno na sa level 2, anything over that will be on the next level, which is 3 up to 12 level. Sabi ng company, Mare, napuno na yung matrix mo, umabot ka na ng 12 level, pasensya na ha. We need to stop this generosity. Kasi month after month, may $2,000 ka na. Congratulations ha, sa pag-subscribe mo, whether monthly or yearly. Yan po yung 2,000 na pinapaliwanag ko kanina. Kasi the company is giving you, no, a money back dun sa pag-subscribe mo, whether monthly or yearly. But here's the secret. Gusto mo mapakinggan? Eto po siya ha. Please listen to me. I just want you to put in your subconscious mind na sa'yo na yung $2,000. I want to impress upon you, ulitin ko na by default, ulitin ko by default, iyon na talaga yan. Dahil nag-join ka sa Live Good, ang tanong ko, paano ko yan mag-increase, sir? Gusto kasi more than 2,000. Here's the tip. In-invite mo lang o invite mo lang yung anak mo o asawa mo o kaya kamag-anak mo. Yan yung first level mo to, di ba? And then, you become bronze. Yan yun. Kaya nung naging bronze, yung sinasabi kong retired employee na yon, hindi na po siya 2,000 month after month. Ang potential nakikita niya, magkano? $4,000. Ang gusto ko ma-appreciate rito, mahirap bang imbitahin yung kamag-anak mo? Sabi mo, oh sir, mahirap. Negative yun eh. Eto, sabihin ko sa'yo, here's my tip. Ganyan din ako. Nahirapan ako. Sabi ko, huwag kayo mag-alala. Sagot ko to. You know what happened? I-join ko yung anak ko na panganay. I-join ko yung misis ko. You know what? Maliit lang. Hindi naman kasi kalakihan agad. Pero ikaw ba naman, wala ka nilabas kasi nangutang po ako, mga kapatid, I'm giving the idea. Nung nag-bronze ako noong April 5, 2024, wala po ako nilabas na pera doon, pero naka-bronze ako noon. Pwede mong gawin yon sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. Bakit? Kasi instead nakikita ko ng 2,000, alam ko sa sarili ko na me being bronze, no? Dati yan ha, kasi ngayon nasa gold na ako, going to platinum, mga kapatid. Kapag yan nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi ko, ibig ko sabihin, ako papunta ng hindi 4,000. Papunta na akong gold, gold na po ako, di ba, 8,000 na ako. From 4,000 kapatid, from silver and bronze, ang potential kikitahin po is 8,000. Eh kung napuntahan ko yung diamond, kapatid, hindi na po 8,000 na pinag-usapan natin dito. Mind-blowing, 16,000 month after month after month ang binibigay ng company. Sa tingin mo, magkano sa peso yun? Your guess is as good as mine. I-calculate mo na para mamangha ka. That is the power of matrix natin. So ang good news, ang matrix natin paano nag-work? Kunyari ako to, o ikaw yan. Lahat ng mga tao nag-pre-enroll sa ilalim mo, naka-peg na yan sa matrix. Ulitin ko ha, kasi para maunawaan nyo how matrix works. Ibig sabihin kapag sinabing peg, nakaposisyon na siya. Kaya ano punto ko, wag na wag kang papayag na bago mo maiposisyon yung mga leaders mo rito, iposisyon mo yung anak mo o misis mo, whatever. Kasi bakit? Yung kita ng anak mo at saka kita ng misis mo ay kita ng pamilya mo yun. Bukod pa sa kita mo. Ibig sabihin, isang gawa, 3 beses mong kikitahin. Yan po ang nangyayari sa account ko at yan ay pinapalakpakan. Kaya gawin mo rin yun ha. Tip ko na sa yan. Next, this is the most important thing na gusto ko ma-appreciate. Kasi may papakita ko sa inyo na ikaw to, no, granting pumalo ka ng meron ka ng member ng 256 ha. Ito kayang-kaya to. Actually, may plano kami dito na ma-hit yan. Meron kang $64 for a subscriber na month after month to ha. Magsasubscribe siya. Meron kang month after month na 3,520. Gusto kong i-appreciate mo to na kung ikaw ay may subscriber na 256, meron ka talagang papasok na 3,520 month after month after month na passive income. I just want you to highlight that 3,520 kasi may kukumpara ko mamaya dyan. Okay? So here's the thing. Ganyan po lumalakad o tumatakbo yung matrix. 2, 4, 8, so on, so forth. Pagka pumalo na sa ilalim niyan, hindi mo na alam kung saan binabato ng sistema yung mismo matrix mo. Bakit? Here's the thing. Kunyari, ito hindi nagbayad si number 2. End of month. Ngayon, actually, ngayon is February na, 3 p.m. na. Hindi ito nagbayad. Si number 4 mapupunta sa pwesto number 2. Yan ang gusto kong i-appreciate rito kasi right now we are more than 1 million subscriber. So ibig sabihin, posible ba na kunyari itong number 2 ay hindi malakas? Tama? As in, nag-wait lang. Pero nadikit ka dito sa number 1 na to. Kung mag-invite, libo-libo, nasagasaan ka ng spillover na 100. Ilan ang 25% ng 100? Meron kang month after month na $25. At yun ay dahil na-compress yung sistema. Kaya ikaw, wag mong pababayaan yung subscription mo monthly or yearly. You know why? Because mami-miss out yung opportunity yun. And that is pinapalakpakan. Diba? So going back to this illustration, as you can see, this is the matrix of our Coach Fernan. As I explained it before, yung 1 is hanggang 2 lang. Yung level 2 is hanggang 4 lang. Yung level 3 is hanggang 8 lang. And so on and so forth. This is the key. Every month, binabayaran ka ng company based on the number of players, based on 25%. Each number here. Is that interesting? Boom. Ikaw na. Diba? So, the last thing that I'm going to share to you is very, very mind-blowing because ito na po ang sekreto ng Live Good. The matching bonuses. How this thing works? Tandaan nyo, kapag ikaw may first generation, first generation mo to. I'm giving you the key. Yung first generation mo, nagkaroon ng silver. Yung first generation mo, nagkaroon ng gold. Yung first generation mo, nagkaroon ng platinum. Yung first generation mo, nagkaroon ng diamond. Alam mo ba? Since yan po ay first generation mo, you get a total of 73, Bisaya, 73 matching bonuses. What do I mean by that? Yung direct mo, sobrang sipag. No? Makinig, galing siya naging diamond. Yun sa ibaba. Lahat ng kikitahin ng silver, ng gold, platinum, diamond, lahat yan may kita ka. A total of 73%. What about second generation? Ito po yan. Yung silver niya, nag-create ng another generation. At naging silver din, naging gold din, naging platinum din, naging 3%. Meron ka na namang commission doon. Paano yung third generation, yung gold mo, no? Tapos naggano'n ng third generation 5%, meron ka pang kita na platinum. Ito ang kwento. First sponsor mo, 10. Yan yung pinapaliwanag ko kanina. Kasi makita mo, di ko maintindihan, Coach Rowa, dito tayo. Dito maintindihan mo. Kasi money talks, diba? May 10 direct. Ikaw mismo may 10 ngayon na nag-join sa'yo. At team of 10, no? Ang matrix nila na kinikita every month is only $100. Bear with me, Magkano 50% ng $100, mga kapatid? Tama ka. You get $50 sa isang tao, kapatid. Yun ang punto ko. Ilan ba yung team mo? 10 times 10, you get 500. Since direct mo sila, tinamad ka na. Sabi ko, adyawan na to. Sabi mo, yung 10 hindi umayaw. Dahil nakita niya, si Apple na kumiti ng 500. Try natin, mga kapatid. So yung 10, nag-invite ng 10. O di may 100 team ka na. Tama? Take note, eto kinikita mo na to at nag-quit ka na nakaka-direct. Pero yung 10 mo nag-continue ng ginawa mo. So you have a team of 100. What happened? This team of 100 earn $100. Ang sabi ng company, dahil silver yan, you get 10%. Tama? At $10 ng $100 is 10, di ba? Ilan yung member mo, kapatid? May 1,000 ka. Bakit? 100 team times $10, you get 1,000. Passive income. Long story short, as we move along up to 5th generation, you get a total of $39,000 doing nothing. Nung nag-stop ka na sa 10 direct mo, how's that interesting? Powerful. This is a complete scenario I'm telling you about. The matrix and the matching bonus. But I want you to bear with me. The matrix bonus na pinagkakaguluhan sa social media is nothing compared to matching bonuses na kinukwento ko sa inyo. Let me hear you this kind of situation. Matching bonus natin, Coach Ryan. Nung di pa siya diamond leader, nung May pa lang, ang kinikita niya sa matching bonus niya is 446. But look at the matrix bonus na bali yung tao na gustong magkaroon ng matrix, 151. Gugustuhin mo pa ba yun? O gugustuhin mo matching bonus? Kaya sabi ko mga kapatid, if you're listening to me, don't ever stay in a position of at rank kasi walang matching bonus dyan. Kaya you commit yourself to be bronze. Bakit? Ito nangyayari kay Coach Ryan could happen to you depending on what you're doing right now, okay? So, nung month of June, yung 446 niya is naging 770. At nung mismong July naman, naging $1,022. Dito, di ba may tinatawag tayong sayo na spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas, at spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Guess what? Dito, ang usong sayaw ay spaghetti pataas ng pataas ng pataas. At anyone love that because dollars yan, mare. And there's another kwento, di ba? So kung mapapansin mo, this is another dashboard coming from our powerful leader to. Actually, account to ni Tim Miller. Tim Miller is a PW na kung saan naka-wheelchair. Pero nung February, earns sa matching bonus na 6,444. Sabi niya, pilay ako kumikita ng $6,000. That is amazing. Sabi niya, most likely makukumpit kaya next week, mga ganyan na, almost double. Tama naman siya. Tama? Ito good news. Kinalculate niya na kung may 14,000 siya nung mismong March, pagdating ng April, siguro ma-increase siya mga 8,000 or 6 lang, sabi mo, 20, 22. Alam mo na mind blown siya. Yung ina-expect niyang malaking-malaki na 20,000, naging $24,000. Nahulog sa upuan si Tim Miller na kilalang-kilala natin na Crown Diamond. You know why? Hindi niya maunawaan kung paano kinukompute yung matching bonus ng company. You know why? Because of the generational matrix na minamatch ng company, hindi niya na isama yun. Doon yun yung malaki. Okay? So right now, here's an example of matching bonus ng our dear friend, which is Coach Fernan. In-invite niya, I'll be honest with you, si Coach Ferds, ating kapatid niya. Dito lang ako isang example lang kasi I know your time is so precious. Kumita siya nung May to May 31st ng 455, yung kapatid niya na si Coach Ferds. Alam mo nangyari kay Coach Fernan, the company give 50%. How much is that? $227. And the rest is free. Ano punto ko? Bukod pa yan doon sa may mismong matching bonus, kapag ikaw naging diamond rank ka, you get 2% or total of sales from all membership and product sales of the company divided by those diamond ranking affiliates. That is amazing. You know why? Can you imagine earning 4,000 to 5,000 month after month? Diamond pool member ka. Ang tawag po dyan, layman's term po, may profit sharing ka na mga kapatid the moment you hit diamond sa Live Good. Kaya if I were you, if you are leader of your group or kung ikaw mismo gusto mag-lideran dito, try to approach this rank. You know why? Napakasimple lang. Kayang-kayang gawin. The only thing that matters, you need to have a 2,500 members. Yun lang. Yun lang. Ang good news niyan, in-split pa. Gusto mo maging Crown Diamond wherein you're going to have 0.5 sales. Bukod sa Diamond na, bibigyan ka pa ng Crown Diamond pool na profit sharing. Our example is none other than our first Filipino Crown Diamond, Coach Fernan. Last time, ang Diamond pool sa Crown Diamond pa lang to ang pinaghitian ng dalawa, tandaan nyo, dalawa lang po silang Crown Diamond dito. Tim Miller and him. 75,000 po ang pinaghatian nilang dalawa. What do I mean by that? They get being a Crown Diamond of 37,500 each. How much is that in peso? Pakikompute po medyo malaki-laki yan. So right now, I'm giving you this particular analogy. As an accountant po, no, I have always an analysis. Kung sa, meron tayong tinatawag na feasibility study, kunyari, if you have 12,000, saan mo ito ilalagay? Sa pagiging empleyado? Sa pagpuput up na traditional business? Or you're going to try, no, savings sa time deposit? Or itatry mo ang platform na to, which is Live Good. So, didiretso lang ako, sisimplahan ko lang kapag inilagay mo yung 12,000 mo, let's say mag-a-apply ka, bilang empleyado. Sa income, ito yung benefit analysis tama naman po, may fixed salary. Tama naman po na magkakaroon ka ng pension sa SSS or JSIS, depende po sa pupuntahan mo. Tama rin po na magkakaroon ka ng freedom dito provided mag-retire ka at 60 or 65. Health-wise, no, hindi ko lang alam po, because of the stress sa isang company na yun, you could stay longer. So those things are given, tama? May fixed salary ka, being employee, meron kang pension, up the age of 60 or 65, or you can have your freedom on same age. However, is the thing, like me as an employee, I never meet ends meet to the point na kailangan pa po talagang mangutang to sustain our livelihood, which is very, very painful, by the way. Huwag niyo pong subukan yan. Kung gusto niyo, survival mode, huwag na huwag po kayong bibili ng mga bagay-bagay at mga bisyo na hindi mo makokontrol. I mean it. What about, kunyari, traditional business? Ay, gusto ko mag-business. Ito lang ang tanong ko. Pwede naman po yan. Regarding income, pwede po yan. Kaya lang, for the next 5 years, alam mo kung bakit? Tanong ko, sa traditional business ngayon, may 12,000 ka. Saan pupunta ang 12,000 mo? I recall nung ako po yung magpapagrab. It cost me 28,000 na scam pa ako. And then to repeat the process, another thousands of pesos. Ano punto ko? Yung 12,000 ba, na-cover na nun? Your guess is as good as mine. What about pension? Pwede po, pwede. Kung naging successful, maybe after 5 years or more than that. What about freedom? The same as what I mentioned earlier. No? So, with regards to health, pwede po, depende sa products, di ba? Eh, what about kung mag-save po kayo? Di ba? Kapag nag-save ka, is 12,000 good for you to earn double your money? Your guess is as good as mine. Kasi nowadays, less than 1% sa may time deposit, kikitain mo for number of months. Pwedeng quarterly, pwedeng semi-annually. Tama po ba? So I hope you're getting me. Okay? So right now, bibilisan ko na po kasi may presentation po mamaya. Long story short, ang Live Good, paano? May unlimited income ka rito for as long as you join and subscribe. Let's say for 2 years lang, naggastos ka ng $300, which is equivalent to 12,000. Eh, ang kapalit naman yan is 2,000 month after month after month. Eh, di may mala-pension ka na more than the pension in the Philippines. Sama? So, I'll take option number 4 in that case. Sama po ba? Ito yung gusto kong paliwanag sa inyo. Right now po, the present minimum pension amount that the member of SSS can get is 1,200. Kapag nakompleto mo yung 120 months, mga kapatid, nahulog. And take note, habang naghuhulog ka, hindi mo nga iniintindi si SSS na kung totoo ba talaga na magkakaroon ka ng pension. What if sa middle of the game, ika-5th year mo, bigla kang hindi naghulog? Are you assured na meron kang tatanggapin na 1,200? Your guess is as good as mine. The moment you forfeit, tanda mo to, hindi ka nakapagbayad, wala kang aasamin na 1,200. Eto gusto ko makita nyo. Diba kanina pinakita ko 3,520. Yung 256 na subscriber na, 256, sorry ay 3,520 month after month. Sa tingin mo, ilang taon yun? Wala ka 3 years, mga kapatid. Eto, naghihintay ka for 10 years, mga kapatid. Ito yung tamang pension para sa'yo. Tama? So, the good news is, almost done na ako. Please bear with me. I'll give you a picture Why is it the subscription model is very powerful? Let's go with Amazon. Ang pass niya, it started 1994. They hit million kailan? This is Amazon Prime, ha? I want you to listen carefully because this is mind-blowing. 3 years lang, hirap na hirap silang i-meet yung 1 million subscriber. Pero they get it. Kaya lang ito tanong, months ba yun? O 36 months? Tama, months nga kaya lang 36 months. Ito good news. Live Good got the 1 million subscription in less than 13 months at siya na pinapalakpakan. But this is just a numbers, right? Convert natin in peso. Paano? At present, they have estimated 2 million subscribers, shipping members. Tama? In 30 years na to, mga kapatid, they are paying 139 per year. Magkano po yun? It is equivalent to $27 billion. Ano punto ko mga kapatid? Month after month, year after year. In peso po yan, 1.5 trillion ang kinikita ng Amazon. And yet, those member doesn't earn any. Tama po ba? Ito ang forecast nila. After 5 years, meron pong 1.8 trillion nakikita ng Amazon sa mga members na from 200 million, naging 233. What about Costco? Same, 1979, nagsimula sila. When they hit it after 9 years, tayo ulit, 13 months. Ang tanong ko, convert na natin sa peso. Ano present nakita nila? In peso, because of their membership na 129, they earn $433 billion. Kumulit ka pa dyan? Ewan ko sa'yo, alam ko wala. Ito, good news, nabubulol-bulol pa ako. Yung mismong SNR, ito malapit sa puso ko kasi member ako niyan. 2006, nagsimula sila. When they hit their first million in 8 years, kapatid, 1 million. Good news, ang Live Good. 13, hindi years, 13 months. Ano kinita ng mismo SNR? Hindi pa ako binabayaran tong dividend. They earn 1.4 billion pesos by paying my sub 700 to that SNR thing. Ang tanong ko, kumurot back sa 1.4 billion na yan? Hindi nga, binayaran ko lang. Ito good news. Live Good started December 22, earned their first million in 13 months, and guess what? Alam niyo po ba ilang binayaran ng company? They paid $50 million out of commission. Ano kinikita ng mga members na nagsimula? Right now, somebody is earning 5 million or 6 million month after month after month. At kilala ko po yun. One of them is our Coach Fernan. So there you have it. I'm almost done. So bear with me, no? Bear with me. Just a little bit. Live Good will be the next Amazon of the MLM or network company. Kaya if I were you, join ka na now. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron pa pong plano na Live Good will have their own warehouse in the Philippines, and that is interesting. It is upcoming soon. Ang tanong ko lang, papayag ka ba na malaglag ang pwesto mo considering ikaw ang iceberg? Kung nandito ka at kung nakikita mo ay masaklap sa iyo yung monthly mo na subscription, mag-yearly ka. Bakit? Abangan mo yung iceberg ang may pinakamalaki dyan nasa ilalim. Gigantic po yan. Diyan ka kikita ng mas malaki. Kaya never fail to renew your monthly or yearly subscription. So, another thing, there are 5 reasons to join. Sasabihin ko lang 4. Number 1, we just officially launched. Bata pa po to. Kumbaga sana natututo pa lang itong maglalakad, matututo pa lang itong magsalita, mag-join ka na ngayon. Pangalawa, we have highest quality and a very, very affordable products. We have marketing system to given away for free. And last but not the least, yung pinagpapaliwanag ko kanina na 3 sistema pa lang, busog na busog ka na, doon pa lang, mag-join ka na. So, tanong ko lang, ikaw ba ay A, to become a affiliate member, B, to become a member, or to become a retail customer? Either way, the choice is all yours. So again, my name is Coach Rowan or Coach Ricardo Aban, and here's my link. If you want to know my link, ito po yung livegood2.com/EricAban711. You may watch my video and be part of my team because we have a wonderful program that can get you to Diamond. And I have this YouTube, no, Coach Rowell TV at youtube.com. You may subscribe and even go to my link and watch my free videos for you to become successful. Okay? Okay. So with that, I'm done. Now nakita nyo ang VIP membership na pinapaliwanag ko sa inyo is all about subscription-based model na ma-appreciate nyo na listen to me, this is very interesting. Live Good is just starting. We started in millions. This coming 2024, sinabi nga ni Ben Dizzy, our CEO, big earthquake, massive development. Kung nakakuha tayo ng 1 million subscribers, sabi ni Ben Dizzy, this 2024, ang target nila, 3 to 5 million. So with that, namaste everyone and God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Next.
Mag-practice na.